Okay, welcome back. Part 2, session 12.
Yep.
We dive into the stock market. So what I was saying was, we're going to get these good stocks, and we're going to make, let's say 3% a month, right? So let's make that 3.33, right? Between 3 and 5. So that's $3,300 for $100,000, and that's $33,000 for every $1 million invested per month, give or take. And that's how you get the income to pay your bills. You start small. You start with smaller accounts, pay your cable bill. Move up to bigger accounts. You're paying your mortgage, your rent. You're paying your car notes. And then eventually you get to the point where you're paying all your bills with a combination of covered call income, dividends, and light trading. And we kind of went over all those. You know, we could do another 6 sessions and go over the particulars, some advanced trading, how to manage your account. And so you're making your money basically from your stock positions, your monthly income. You're paying your bills. And if you do it right, you can grow your account also. So let's talk about that. Do you have any questions on that?
I mean, that one I asked you earlier, if that's what you're referring to.
Yeah, well, so you said that you wanted to make $4,000 a month, right?
Well, yeah, we can talk about that. My question also was, and we can get to it whenever, but like up to this point, like before I met you and we started talking, like I was always worried about like my overall account balance. Like that number was like this magical number that, you know, I was scared to take losing trades, but now being focused on retiring into the market, like how much of that, like should I not be focused on that at all and just writing the CCs, writing the puts, monthly income, bam, 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 rinse and repeat?
Focus on paying your bills with the covered call income, dividends, and mild trading. And you're focusing on the principals. You're making constant deposits into your account from your job, so you can replace your job. You know, if you need more, if you need help making deposits, you need to cut your expenses, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cut those fancy dinners, you know. Take that money, put it in your stock market account. Go in your garage, sell all the shit in your garage, put in your stock market account.
Mm-hmm.
This immediate gratification that Americans have, you know, they just want to buy everything when they see it. You know, you have to control that. We call it delayed gratification. So when you see something in the store you want or online, you wait 30 days. If it's a big item, you know, if it's, you know, an item that it's going to cost you something, you wait 30 days and see if you still need it. And you take that money, put it into your stock market account. You know, a lot of stuff, you know, we don't need, we just want, so we end up spending our money. But that's the trade-off. You know, you're going to either invest in yourself, putting your money where it can make money, or you're going to be just spending the money that gives you really no investment, gives you instant gratification, but doesn't give you income, doesn't pay your bills, right?
Yeah.
So you're not looking at the balance so much, but you're managing your balance, you're managing your account, you're not taking too much out, you're putting more money in. That's the idea. Once you start surviving on your account, living off your account, then you have to worry about not taking too much out. Like I said, even if we go into recession, you might lose, you know, 5% a month, let's say on the average. But if you're making 3% on covered calls, so you're really only losing 2%. So you can survive. You can survive like a dry spell. You see?
Yeah.
So let's take the 4,000 you said. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you a raise. I want to just put like 1,000 on top of that. So so if you say you need 4,000, I'm gonna say I'm gonna get you 5,000 because I want it to be nice and I want it to be easy for you. I don't want you to have to cut corners, struggle. So we're gonna plan to make 5,000 a month, right? How does that sound?
I like it.
So now we're gonna use a formula that we done so many sessions. The 3 to 5% return for the cover calls, we're gonna say 3.3 return. Okay. 3.33. Sound fair?
Yep.
Can you feel confident you can show me a cover call next month that can give you 3.3% return? Yes or no?
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. Best your life on it?
Guaranteed.
All right. So what we'll do, we'll take that number. We're gonna take $5,000. We take 5,000, then we divide that by 0.0333. So 5,000 divided by 0.0333. You're gonna get something like 151,000. 515. Repeating backwards. 151, 515. That's your dollar amount that you need. That's step one. Step one. We'll do this in 2 steps. Step one, 151,000. We'll get you $5,000 income at 3%, 3.3%. Fair?
Yep.
Write that down. 151, 515. Now, here's the thing. You're gonna be great. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna be doing that. You're gonna be okay, but you're not gonna be able to increase the value of your account. So you're just barely gonna be able to hang on. I don't want to do that to you. I want to. Sorry, the trash truck's out here.
You're right.
I'm in my little patio. Trash truck's out. So we're gonna go to step 2. But before I do that, let me explain the distribution of income. Anybody can take 3.3% and figure out how much they need to retire. But here's the thing: when you make money, you can't actually spend all your money. Okay, so I'm gonna put this 100%. Put 100% on top. So here, 50%. I did that wrong. Let's start again. I want you to tithe 10%. 10% of your income. I want you to tithe. Remember tithing? Help the unfortunate, help the needy. For me, it's more like a spiritual matter. You're obligating the universe to deliver for you because you're giving and you're receiving that way. So some people, that could be a church. Other people that could be donating to an organization. Or some people may help with their time, food kitchens, whatever. I told you about, I go to the gas station, waiting for someone to try to pay with $2, $2.50. Not even a gallon of gas, I just throw down, $40 on the counter.
Yeah.
So it's different for everybody, but you got to realize that you need to give back, right? So I believe in that. So tie 10%, and here we're going to put 20% aside for taxes. Proper traders are going to be paying taxes on their income year after year because that's what they do. Because you make money, you can pay taxes. I don't want you to get in trouble. I don't want you to, owe the IRS. So I want you to put aside 20% for taxes. Okay. 10% is to. I want you to have something to show for it. Have something to show for it.
You said 10%?
Yeah. So I want you to take out 10%. I want you to put in your kid's college fund. I want you to put it into an IRA that you don't trade. I We want you to buy gold coins, buy silver coins. There's a soybean trader I know who, very intelligent, smart guy. Years back, he made his account. He built his account up to $1 million. So he was successful. Great, good job. But a few months later, I got a call from him, another call. He basically blew his whole account through a few bad trades. So here's the thing. He had nothing to show for it, for his achievement. So I want you, when you make every successful trade, I want you to have something to show for it. Every month, every year, you're successful. I want you to take out 10%, take it out of your investment, buy gold coins, silver coins, pitch child's fund, do it something that you can go back and be like, hey, look, I have something to show for it. This is what I've been doing. Not only paying my bills, not only surviving, but I took money out to put it towards this important thing that I am doing in life. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And another 10% is going to stay in there to grow your account. Build your account. Reinvest. So if you make 10,000, let's say if you make 1,000, or the first 1,000 you make, you're going to have your account. Let's say your account is 25,000 starting off. You're going to have $100 more the next month. So you'll be investing 25,100. See? So you're investing that 10%. You're building your account up over time. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, this amount I mentioned is 50%. 10% tithing, 20% taxes, 10% have something to show for it, and 10% reinvest. That's 50. The other 50% live off of spending, bills. Okay? That's 100%. Sorry, I'm back. You okay?
You're good.
Okay, so we can't actually spend all the money we make because we have to put it to the appropriate thing. So really, this number is gonna have to be doubled. So we're gonna have to actually do 300,000 for you, because we're only gonna actually spend, because if you make $1,000 or $5,000, we can really only spend half that. Follow me?
Mm-hmm.
So the real number you're looking for is 300,000, and you're making 5,000 a month to spend. You're making 5,000 a month to go to other places, taxes, growing your account. Make sense?
Yeah.
So the real number you're looking at is 300 grand, and that's the final number. That's step 2. So you have step 1, get to 150. Step 2, get to 300. That's gonna easily, like I like to say, we under promise and over deliver. I don't want it to be hard for you. I don't want you to have to struggle. 300 grand you're making. You can easily. I mean, can you find a cover call that gives you 4%, 5%? Can you do a mild trade? Buy the dip, sell the peak. Some people do better at trading. Some people do really good at cover calls. Some people like dividends more. Dividends pay less, so you're gonna get less on that percentage of your account. So if you're getting, let's say, somebody their dividends are getting 10% right now, so that's really only 10,000 per 100,000 per year. So that's less per month, but it's less work. You're just holding on to the stock and getting the dividend. It's more steady, I think, for the most part.
Excuse me?
It's more steady. So you're gonna have to make that interest up in trading and covered calls, right? Okay. Okay, so any questions on that?
No.
So we covered a lot. We covered distribution of income. We covered your number. Your magic numbers between 150 and 300,000. You know, we covered some good stocks. You did great on your Harvard presentation. Congratulations. Make me proud.
Yeah.
We can start to wrap up. Any questions? Now, did that answer your question? You got more?
No, that answers my question. My big thing, I've had where I'm at now is like a philosophy change, you know. But before, I was kind of like I told you before, like this year specifically, I had like analysis paralysis before I ran into you, and I was like, I would watch the market all day long, and of course I didn't know about, you know, I never did covered calls, never did any of that stuff, and that really freed me up to be able to put my money out there and start making some money, you know. So now it's like I don't need to be worried or scared about, you know, what if a trade doesn't work out, because I've got that income coming in month after month.
Good. That sounds good. You know, you're changing your philosophies into a business person making money. These stocks are there to make money for you. And that's what we're doing. Send me some homework.
Yeah.
You know, I want to invite you to Stock Market Traders. It's a Facebook Messenger group. Some people in there, they trade for a living. Some of them put some trades up in there. You ready for that?
Yeah, you're on that?
You do Messenger?
Yeah.
I'd like to continue with another 6 sessions after the new year. I want you to let this set in, do some trades. We can continue. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
All right.
I like it. Appreciate it.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. You allow me to be a good mentor, and are you learning? Can you say decisively that these principles you can rely on these for the better to make money that you've been taught?
Absolutely. I sent you that text the other day with that sort of, it was a special moment, man. I was cleaning and I was like, man, you know, in the ocean of uncertainty, the option chain is my paycheck. It sort of really hit home. It was more than just a cool sort of thing to say. It's something to write down on my notes. It became real, you know. So that was awesome.
The option change your paycheck because those options, that the price they give, that's the money you get for writing the cover call or the naked put. So yeah. Okay, good job, Vince. I appreciate you. We'll talk more later.
Thanks.
I'll send you a message, okay?
Okay.